a jump box for some fucking reason.
Yeah, I should leave all of this beeping in this video for you. Hit the button until it clicks.
Go ahead.
There you go. Safety first.
It's not ideal cord, but it does the best it can.
Yeah, can you turn the AC on?
Sorry, dog, that's all you get.
Such a difference.
It's crazy, right? At idle, it's not so bad.
That's what it sounds like. So my fuck ass went home to start doing this video, and I forgot to bring butane with me, so I am back at Jeff's house at midnight to get butane for my soldering iron. Yes. Got the chonklers on. The Prelude still needs a clutch. And the old trusty steed over here just wanting to die. I won't let it. No, 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 sir. You still have at least another 50,000 on your clutch here, sir. 201, that'd be alright. I just slammed 2 McDoubles. I feel great. I feel so great. Back at Jeff's house, about almost 5 o'clock at this point. Jesus Christ. But I got my ECU done. Okay, so I got a 3-port Mac valve here. Got 2 wires, a 2-pin Deutsch connector, 2 pins, the insert, and some sheathing. So with just these basic tools here, I'm going to show you how to make this. Well, I'm not going to show you, I'm just going to do it, and you're going to be like, wow, I wish I could do that. Too bad, sucker. And just like that, you have a Mac valve with a nicely insulated wires coming out of it. I am using a certain type of Deutsch connector that will allow me to use this style of crimp. It is cheap, but it looks good. And then also, I got the cable for it running through. It is a triple wire protected cable. I'm only using the red and the black, and I just put the whole thing through the firewall, and that's it to the ECU. So I just got to chop it off somewhere in here. And then the boost solenoid should go, like, I want to mount it on this bolt here. That'd be nice. The same place that this little boost controller was. So that way that it'll be good. Nice short lines coming out of the turbo into there and all that fun stuff. And then, you know, we'll have both of these ports hooked up. Ooh, spicy. Fucking washing machine. When you're crimping wires, they should look like this. Real nice, flat, even, good to go. And then you just shove them into the little holes on the back here, and then you put your little clip in there, so that, you know, it holds the pins in, and you're good to go. Well, I think I successfully installed the boost controller. I don't know. I have to go get the car dyno tuned again. Means I gotta pay more money for something I already paid for. I hate people.